Try, adapt, learn. In this video, we will try to demonstrate how to disengage the hydrostatic transmission or set the transmission to a neutral position using a Scag Cheetah zero-turn riding lawnmower. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please subscribe now. This procedure is specific to hydrostatic transmissions in riding lawnmowers in order to allow the vehicle to move freely, such as pushing the vehicle by hand. The transmission needs to be released with levers or other hardware used to open the bypass valve in the hydrostatic transmission. Zero-turn mowers with two controls often have two hydrostatic transmissions or transaxles on opposite sides, and both need to be disengaged. To disengage the hydrostatic transmission and open the bypass valve or dump valve, a hand tool must be used. The valve on the opposite side may need to be turned in the opposite direction. Once the transmission is disengaged and the brakes are off, the mower can then be moved freely. To re-engage the transmission, turn the valve using the hand tool in the opposite direction. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.